Hey coders, welcome back to the JavaScript Array Exercise. Today, we've got a quick and interesting challenge for you. We'll be writing a JavaScript function to check whether something is an array. Let's dive right in. Hello, awesome coding community at JavaScript Array Exercise. I'm excited you're here. We're keeping it short and sweet today with a fundamental array challenge. Perfect for beginners, so let's make it quick and fun. Today, our mission is simple. Create a JavaScript function to check if a given input is an array. This is a common task. By the end, you'll have a handy function in your coding toolkit. I'll walk you through it step by step. Ready? Let's code. One, defines a function named isArray that takes a parameter value. 2, uses the array.isArray method to check if the provided value is an array. The result is stored in the variable result. 3, returns the result, either true if it's an array or false if it's not. 4, calls the isArray function with the argument welcome and logs the result to the console. In this case, it will display false because the input is not an array. In this case, the expected output is true because the argument passed is indeed an array. Give it a shot. Mistakes are part of the process, and we're here to help. Drop your solutions in the comments box and let's learn together. Great work! Next week, we're stepping it up with more advanced array concepts. Stay tuned for the challenge. Happy coding! Thanks for joining in today's quick exercise here at JavaScript Array Exercise. Hope you enjoyed it. Share your solutions, and I'll catch you next week for another bite-sized challenge. Keep coding.